Hello students, let us solve this word problem on integers. The question is, the sum of two consecutive integers is 47, find the two integers. So when both the numbers are not given, we will first assume that the first of integer be x. So let's say let the first integer be x. Also, according to the question, both the integers are consecutives. Consecutive means they come one after the other. So the number which comes just after x will be one more than the x. So the next integer or the other integer will be x plus 1. So the next consecutive integer will be x plus 1. Now, according to the question, the sum of both the integers is 47. So let's make an equation and solve it to find the value of x. X plus 1 equals 47. So x plus 1 equals 47. X plus x is 2x. So this is 2x plus 1 is 47. To find the value of x, so subtracting 1 from both sides. So this is going to be 2x plus 1 minus 1 equals 47 minus 1. So this will be 2x, 1 and 1 will get cancelled, and here it will be 46. To find the value of x, we need to remove this 2 from here. So we will divide both the sides by 2. So dividing both sides by 2. This will be 2x divided by 2 equals 46 divided by 2. So this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. This will be x equals 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 3 is 6. So x equals 23. So the first integer is 23. Let's find the other one. The next integer will be x plus 1, which equals 23 plus 1, which equals 24. So this is our next integer. So we got both the integers, 23 and 24 are the integers. So our final answer will be the consecutive integers whose sum is 47 is 23 and 24. So let's write our final answer. The two consecutive integers are 23 and 24. This is our final answer. We are going to box the answer, and this is how we solve these kind of problems. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.